Hi, I'm a non-native English speaker, and I'm having trouble with my pronunciation. Can you help me?
Of course! The first step is to learn the sounds of English. English has 44 sounds, and each sound is represented by a different letter or combination of letters.
That's a lot of sounds. How can I learn them all?
You can start by listening to native English speakers and imitating their pronunciation. You can also use online resources and apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and YouTube tutorials to practice your pronunciation.
Okay, I'll try that. What else can I do?
Another important step is to focus on stress and intonation. English is a stress-timed language, which means that certain syllables are emphasized more than others. Intonation refers to the rise and fall of your voice when speaking. Paying attention to these aspects will help you sound more natural and fluent.
That's helpful. How can I practice stress and intonation?
You can practice by reading aloud, listening to music, and watching movies or TV shows in English. Pay attention to how native speakers stress certain syllables and use intonation to convey meaning.
Okay, I'll give that a try. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Remember, improving your English pronunciation takes practice and consistency. But with the right strategies in place, you'll be able to speak English with confidence and clarity.